Christopher Lamb on the companion team going 1471. Mike Rose and Scott Pohl 1422. Barta and Peterson 1380. Here's Wallachek, leads it. Up on lane 27. .267 for Barta. He's going to finish with 790. He's going to be 6 pins short of regular singles. Jeff Nimke set the number yesterday here at the Open Championships, the two-time Eagle winner. For Scott Pohl, some troubles at this game down the stretch after starting with 4 out of the first 5. .515, he had the front 9 to start game 1 of singles. Barta needed 822 to tie for all events. He had 1398 after the first 6, added 790. Rose rings the 10, and the record from Delora Brothers 1, 10,585, will continue to be at the top of the team all events standings. Wallachek now up on lane 28. Gets the hit. He's going to have the chance here. He can still get to 256. If he were to go 9 spare strike, he would tie Brett Cunningham, who leads with 2022. Or 2,220, excuse me. But heading into this 8th and 9th frame over on 29 and 30, this was all in play, folks. All in play for Team NBR, Team NABR, excuse me. Regular singles, regular all events, team all events. Now just Wallachek left with his eyes set on the top spot for 9 game totals. 745 in team events, 750 in doubles with Lamb. .490 after the first 2, at 264 last game after 226 in the opener. The number they needed as a team in singles to tie the number, 36-35. $790 for Barta, $730 for Rose in singles, $621 for Peterson, $701 for Scott Pohl. Once again, Wallachek can take the lead with a strike here in regular all events. If he gets at least 9, he has a chance to tie. First shot of the 10th. Gets the hit. He is going to go around Brett Cunningham. Unofficially, Brian Wallachek has just moved into the regular all events lead at the 2022 USBC Open Championships. Now it's time to add onto the total. 256, 746 still out there. Brian Walchek, folks. So Brian Walchek is going to have himself a nice tournament. Going to be moving into the top 10 in a couple of divisions here. They're leading the way for Team NABR. Got to be 256, 746 for the team this